Learning C# by programming a Twitch bot. I changed everything, Kappa. Please don't tell me you changed everything. Pull request. It works! Exclamation mark. Commits. It works. So there's 195 lines of code. Public static class config. These should be const, but you can set them as const. As const, the assigned value shows on mouse over. But if you set them as const, the assigned value shows on mouse over. I'm back. What did I miss? I was doing just some programming on the game and currently working on UI here. Didn't miss much, I have to say. I'm currently reworking the UI here. That's all. And I will do more of that off stream. I'm good now. You don't need to learn C#. It's so simple that you just pick it up. If anything you need to learn, you learn as you go with C#. Okay, bot ID, bot secret, bot OAuth without OAuth part. Channel ID auto-generated from the channel name, bot access token auto-generated when creating new access token, auto-generated when creating new access token, bot refresh token. Yeah, the refresh token is the one that you use to refresh your access token, right? And that happens like once a month. As far as I know. Actually, all of us not used, but I get it when running the bot. I don't know what the without or off part means, but okay. You have net, HTTP, and HTTP headers, and then you create an internal... Hey, what did you do to my bot name? Sharpbot. Huh? Why did you call it program? It's a sharpbot, bro. What does internal mean? Hey. Hey. He nuked everything. Yeah. Hey. It's a sharpbot, bro. Weirdja? What do you mean, Weirdja? It's a sharpbot. Huh? What do you mean, program?
We're going to rename that. After we are merging the pull request, we're going to rename that to sharpbot again.
C-Shrek bot, fine, you could change it. Private static bull running true. What happens with my running true here, huh? While running. Uh-huh. While true. See hashtag bot. WebSocket receiver. Important. The web events WebSocket. The events of WebSocket server supports only outgoing messages. If you send a message to the server except for Pong messages, the server closes the connection. Yes. We read that yesterday. Why is it 3 lines of code here? Why is it 3 slashes? Program is standard. I wonder how long it will take you to break this entire thing. Cringe. String session ID. What type of session are we talking about? String message. Int temp1. I don't like these names. Sorry, but I hate this. What are we talking about here? WebSocket session ID? Well, then you should call it WebSocket session ID. I don't like this at all because confusing. Too general. I know that you did it fast. Temp1 and temp2 is also not temp temporary. Yeah, I know, but what for? Right? What are they holding? While running is also gone. Create a WebSocket connection. WebSocket secret header. Config bot ID. Authorization bearer. Access token. Connect async. New URI. Twitch. Okay, so we're connecting to the event system. WebSockets are okay, but how about WebSockets? Check if it worked. receive result. WebSockets receive async. Buffer, cancellation token on result. Yeah. Throw, something went wrong. We should rename that too. Saying basically we couldn't, what is it called? Couldn't connect to the event sub server. Encoding get string, receive result can't, console write message. Pass welcome message. For now, assume that everything needed is inside the message, otherwise it would throw an error. Temp message index off. Temp. Is not null white space. Ronio couldn't read session ID. I think this is a bit complicated, too complicated. Can't we just get the session ID? Can't we just treat it as a... Is there no thing in C# where you treat this as a JSON response and then you just get the session part of the JSON response as a string, like in Python? Where in Python you get a JSON back and then you like to JSON or something. To pass JSON you have to change template class to pass string into that class. Use a dynamic JSON object. I don't like that. I don't like this because this is you're literally using temp variables that are very difficult to read, and yeah, even this, like you can absolutely not understand anything. You have to like look a lot in here. I don't know. I think this defeats the purpose of using C#. And that 7 has JSON parsing in the framework. Yeah, I would like to, we need to change that, because if we want to have the session ID, then we should just use the thing. JObject does that. Okay, thank you, Vincent. We will change that. Subscribe to every event you want to. We have 10 seconds to subscribe to an event. Also, another connection has to be used because we can't send messages to the WebSock server. Yeah, that is something that I was found weird. Message class and pass. No, why not just use the JSON class that we get? Why do we have to create a message class for that?
Imagine contributing code and getting publicly shamed by the ungrateful Strimer.
Ah, shut the fuck up. I'm talking about code, bro. Like, you want to talk about code here, or you want to be like a family-friendly stream where everything is then go somewhere else, bitch. We're talking about code, okay? Using. Why is this? Huh? What does this do? What is using? That looks to me like an if check. It gets rid of the object after it's done. Code is serious business. Oh, thank you, Ost. Thank you, man. Gets rid of the object after it is done. It's a conditional, important for connections. Using creates an object inside the braces and make sure it gets rid of it after. So like an if check. In C++, okay. In a local scope. Request.add. Bot ID, authorization, request content. Can't we just create a JSON object here? And then I would like to use a JSON object because I want to use the power of C#. Yeah. Hi there, ho. Hey, Silver Gecko TV, hello there. You can try, it's not that easy. I hope it is easy. It should be easy because it's a library, you will see. Request content type is application JSON, yeah. And then we're sending an async request and getting the response. So we're basically awaiting it. String.response. You're not doing anything with the response, but okay. WebSocket state is it?
He's just open? Trying to intimidate you, Cakez. You're the C# golden god.
Okay. You'll have class for everything to change in between object and from JSON form? No, why? I should look. Listen, me as a C++ dude, what I expect from JSON is the following: JSON. My JSON is if I have to do new JSON. Then we do a new JSON. That's what I expect, and then I do my JSON.
JSON, my JSON.
Dot. I don't know. Add penis.
Tickle my
5.
pickle.
C++ teaching how C# should work. Listen, this is what I'm expecting from C#. Penis. Constructing a JSON, something like this. Good luck with that. We make a class with those properties and then serialize it to JSON. So basically a stack variable serialized to JSON. Console write JSON string. That's what it is. I think that's even easier. Because this just exists on a stack or inside the local scope. And I don't mind that. It's like a locally scoped struct. That's fine. You will need this. Where you see struct over here.
Master. The calculations are in, and...
Then Microsoft, JSON, system text, JSON, use DOM.
The powers of your brain are overwhelming.
C# struct.
Oopsie. How to use a JSON document object model in system text. JSON string. We'll have to see. Maybe the string is okay. Okay, let's continue here. While true. Okay, what is this WebSocket? Where's that coming from? WebSocket state. I don't see a WebSocket state anywhere. We have WebSocket. Can someone explain to me why WebSocket has to be a capital W? I made it global outside of the method. So capital. So class. Okay, let's see here. We have the version, we have condition, transport, WebSocket, broadcast ID, string content, application JSON, response. We don't do anything. If the state is open, then we receive async. Receive result, received bytes or less, encoding, get string buffer, receive result count. Then we write line got keep alive message. Session keep alive. If keep alive message it wasn't received, then keep alive message time from welcome message, the connection should be restarted. What is the ping pong? Where's the ping pong? Get channel ID. Couldn't acquire broadcast ID, probably find channel name doesn't exist. Ping pong is automatic by WebSocket object. You don't have to, I don't have to handle it. Oh, really? Damn. Then we have the get access token. Authorize client ID. Oh, this is the string URL. And then we create use shall execute. So basically this opens the link for the user to complete authorization, right? Local server is needed to get response from authorization. And you only do that if we don't have an access token. Open a browser tab for the user to you open up a browser tab here. And you're listening to localhost 3000. And where do we store this data? Where do we store this? Mostly the config class. Yeah, but it is... Does that happen every time we start the bot? Yep. Okay, whatever. Let's just merge this request. Thank you very much, bro. So basically what this does is it set us up. There should be unsubscription to all events before opening WebSocket. For now, this is the easiest to implement. There should be unsubscription to all events before opening the WebSocket. Good. What do you mean? Hello there, Resist. Good morning. Welcome. Because old events won't work. And just fill up the limit. Wait, if we subscribe to events once, they never get like unsubscribed. We are still subscribed to them. And we have to subscribe to them again when we open up the connection. The WebSocket session ID changes. Yep. It's the same with webhook. Oh shit. Okay, now we have a big file tank reading. It's the same with webhook from my bot. Okay, can I
That's
just
hard to
start
break
this?
it for no reason and blame a bevel 8 people clap.
Wow, it takes so long to load. Hello world. What did we get? It doesn't open up a browser and it gets an exception. Oh, because it was 10 seconds. There's no hello world in the code. Oh, I didn't build, I think. I didn't build, that's why. I was assuming it would just work. Warnings. One or more errors occurred. In exception found. Variable window detail. The WebSocket is in invalid state. Listen, I'm tired of this Microsoft bullshit, really. I'm so tired of this. Build succeeded, 0 warnings, 0 errors. Do I have to delete those again? I don't know, man. Like, the more I deal with C#, the more I get pissed off. Delete the file! God! Yes! Delete the fucking file! Are you dumb? Thank you! Goodness! Bot ID and bot secret is empty in the config class. You need to set it up.
You have to read the exceptions. It isn't Microsoft BS. It is your responsibility.
Twitch developer console. Okay. Let us make a new bot. It's gonna use my name, right? I want to change the name. How do I change the name? Gonna leak? No, I think we just log out and log in with a different name. But for now we don't sign up to chat, so it doesn't matter, I guess. Is there a way I can create some Cakez points rewards for you? These Sage, Clone, etc. rewards? What do you mean exactly? You want to create redemptions? Max Funky? C# bot? Hey, Coffee Lover. Welcome, bro. How's it going? How's it going, bro? Ouch. C shit bot.
Lady Eli, you asked where the when we start on the C# bot. Now it's a C shit bot? What are you talking about? Huh?
Okay, let me quickly go into full cam mode. Hello guys, I'm just generating a new secret that I copy into the code. Oh, you can't see anything. Which, you know, it's good. Leaked. Yeah, you can leak these nuts.
Wahoo! Everyone is here.
Oh, hello there, Ashnobs. No. One person is missing. Offline aware, yeah. Offline. Send him a message. Yeah. Still feeling a little sick, maybe later. Or you, what happened, bro? So good. Yeah, get better soon, bro. Yeah, there's one person that is missing. Just joined. What's this shade being thrown around? Ah, nothing. We just miss a community member that has been sucked into playing PoE. Path of Exile for too long. Okay, so yeah, we added this and I should be able to build right now, and we get everything right. Javier, yeah, aware. He's gone. I told you! I told you! I told you! Yesterday there was an X86. I fucking told you. And now I have to add that X86 again. X64. Told you. View channel points, custom rewards, and the redemptions in the channels. View bots, bits information. Read the list of followers in the channel where you are a moderator. Authorize. Cakez is slowly going insane. No. No. Now to VS Code terminal. Got to keep alive message. Message ID, payload, session, keep alive timer 10 seconds. Reader, got to keep alive message. Okay, that looks good. What now? Can someone follow? Am I farming followers now? Someone follow?
Hey, someone that is not a follower, how about you follow? Thank you.
80 Lion, thank you very much. No? We got a follow message here. Porg, it works. Cool. Don't follow? No? That's a good one. But are you sure that it worked? I can't be too sure. Anyone else wanna follow too? Okay, draw CCT programmer. Honestly, I prefer instead of I prefer using Visual Studio instead of C# because Visual Studio is kind of targeted to it. Yeah, people told me that before as well. Basic. Yeah, it looks like it's also showing the follow from
Thank you
Coffee
for
Lava.
following D's nuts.
Unfollowed also. That's how this game goes. I can unfollow. Cool, it works. Awesome. Thank you very much, Abeth. Following since August 29. Aware. Oh, you just deleted your follow, bro. Sage. And already mod.
Coffee is out.
Wow, unfollowed.
How much did you pay? So, C# guys, I have a question. Do you call your program CS? Even if you make a game, do you still call it program CS to show that this is the program, that it doesn't matter how it's called? Just the main file. No, called program Cakez. Okay. Cakes GitHub source. You wanna know, you wanna get the source of this Coffee Lava?
Thoughts on C#? Is it any good?
Yes. Oh, I see. You put it in like tab to show that is. I see. I like that you can do so many things without having to look for libraries. I really do like that a lot. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really want this. Maybe you guys are different than me, but I really need this in my life. Fuck, I shouldn't have done that. Whatever, whatever, guys. Request text document code action failed. Go to output. Do you see that? Look what I have here. Look at this. I get this bullshit here. Completed load of. You mean a bloated standard library?
Must be broken. What a shocker!
No, for example, JSON parsing doesn't exist in C# by default. I have to use a library, and now I have to choose which library is the best. And now it is not easy for me to tell which one is the best unless I know it. Stuff like that. And in C# you don't have that.
There is a JSON parser.
I don't know what it is. Probably couldn't parse what you're doing, and IntelliSense got an error. Language server, language server, language server, language server. Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. I would like to. Is it just me? Or does this look more convoluted than my C++ code? You therefore made a mess. Yeah, it looks very. I didn't do that, but Abev did that and to set it up that it works, which is very, I really appreciate that he did that. But it looks very convoluted.
Well,
like,
of course it does. It's C#.
I would split it into methods, but you didn't want to. Why are these inside the main function? These two I forced on you, Kappa. And why do they not have a return type? Is that how you define functions? And see, this looks so weird and wrong. It looks so wrong. Should these clients be static? My enclosure is using block to dispose letter. Oh my god, I really can't. Do you know how to call a method? Oh, this is calling a method. Oh, I thought you were defining the method in a like a header way. I thought you were defining a method here. Oh, I see. Okay, sure. C# has no header files like in C++. I understand. Well, maybe we should clean this up then. Ah, this looks so bad. Oh. Okay, whatever. Okay, fine. Whatever.
Cakez, I think normal people don't define methods in their main function. It's only...
Damn, Jason Block is really making me icky. Yeah, me too. You know why? Listen. In Vim, you can go between braces. Like this. And I can't do that in the else case. It doesn't find a brace to jump to. I can do it here. But it finds like way too many braces. I don't like it. Like, listen, if I wanted to... previously I was $ for string interpolation, but he didn't understand it, so I forced plus everywhere. It's not like that I don't understand it. I think it's convoluted like this. Cakes, I'm already curious what the next Twitch bot will be coded in. You know the next bot is inevitable. Come on.
Cakez, I am already curious what the next Twitch bot will be coded in. You know the next bot is inevitable inverted.
Okay. Just wanted to type something for the crazy voice. I don't like this at all. Guys, I don't like this at all. Like, to me, like C# should be clean. This doesn't look clean to me. This looks so dirty. Control A, delete all clean. Cap. Is this how you write JSON stuff in C#?
You like it dirty, don't you?
Is this how you do JSON stuff in C#? To me, this looks exactly like C++. I gain nothing. Wrong voice? No? Either use NetJSON, which is the third-party JSON library, pretty much used everywhere, or use the built-in text JSON. Cakes, for the millionth time, people pass with system.text.json. Okay, even if I create a JSON? How do I do this in JSON? How do I set... Wait. That's a string. Yeah, I made it. It's made for JSON parsing, serializing, deserializing. But you pass, you have to have classes for objects to pass into them. Just create an object and serialize it. It's much easier. Pass the welcome message. For now, assume that everything needed is assigned to message, otherwise it should throw an error. Welcome message, right line, keep alive message.
I like how it reels up a motorboats every time he goes to Canada. That's dedication, Poggies.
Gambler. Sure, I could do everything like in my bot, but I didn't want to.
Pips.
What is happening, Cake Sage?
Gamble.
I'm thinking. That's all. Yeah, I don't know. Thinking, Sage. GCC evening. Good evening. Why C#? Why not modern C++? Thinking that's new for the stream. Shut the fuck up, bro. I'm thinking, okay? God, it's difficult. Because I don't know what I should do. I can't decide. It's so cool that it works. But it looks worse in terms of code than if I write it in C++. So I don't like it. I can't change that, okay? I don't know. God damn it. Fuck, man. Is this just C# code being terrible? Is it just C# that I don't like? Use raw string literals for JSON. It's better, I think.
Cakez, you coded this in few hours only. You should attempt to have a better results in a similar amount of time in C++ and keep the best of the two.
You could use
It's
class or
definitely
JSON
the
objects as class
C#
amateur, but it
couldn't be
would require
Cakez.
more time. Definitely C# could be Cakez. Example, string JSON. String, JSON string, date, temperature. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know. This is what... Stop writing JSON a string. Fuck, man. Why am I such a fucking C++ Andy? I could remind you how well WebSocket works in C++, board. I'm such a fucking C++ Andy. Just got here. Why aren't you deserializing JSON to an object? What is that? Buffer. Can't we like turn this into a JSON? JSON serialization hurts my feelings. Pepe lost. We can. Why is it bad? I don't understand. Pass welcome message. Like, why can't... How do we do that? See, this is what I don't understand, guys. This is what I don't understand.
So if I understand correctly, you refuse to use any kind of built-in idiomatic tools and then blame your ugly code.
Shut the fuck up! I didn't write the code! You dummy! Listen, okay? I'm expecting this, okay? String message is receive on a socket or something. Whatever, right? That's what I'm expecting. Rude. And then I'll be like, okay, there's gotta be a... It's gotta be like, I don't know, a JSON. Fuck you!
Cakez reading.
Classic Cakez.
I don't know. C++ has changed me. C++ has like sucked me into like, or even like this char pointer. What are we looking for? Session ID is JSON get string. And it takes in the fuck, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. Whatever, man. It just doesn't work. Fuck. What you want is possible, just need to fucking do it. Reading. He typed JSON and the intelligence literally suggested him the proper class, but he just it's just that. Okay. This chat just one more time. Deserialize object HTM. Been watching the stream the entire time. Public class account. String.
I would ask you a simple question. If you would start programming in Rust and imagine how it should work, would you get mad that the language doesn't work that way?
Yeah.
Everything have to work like in your imagination?
I've been coding my interfaces all this time myself, okay? I've been avoiding libraries like the plague. Don't get mad, please. I don't mean it in a bad way. God damn it! What the fuck are we at library again? And it's insane. I can understand why Epoch doesn't like this, guys. Because you have to create a class just to JSON parse it into a class. And that sucks.
Which library are you using, Andy?
Okay, do deserialize the string into JSON object into Twitch API, how the message should work and create class around it. I do not, it's not, I don't like it. Cakez, it doesn't suck, that's how OOP works. Then I don't like OOP. I use it, but I don't want to spend much time. Fine, we use it like this. It's okay. I didn't say anything, okay? I was just complaining, okay? Listen. This is great. Then go code in CIS. I like how people get mad. I like how people get mad. Oh my god. This is so funny. New bot in assembly. Just drop C# if you don't like it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. God damn it. Oh, mean. This is madness. Guys, why am I so fucking indecisive with this, man? God damn it, I've literally made zero progress.
C# is kinda.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Exile.
Imagine what cars would drive sideways now, and I'm mad how they drive. I imagine the cars would drive sideways now, and I'm mad at how they drive. Thank you very much for following. No shit. Maybe switch to Fortran.
Would be a great time for you to man up, Cakez, and finally get things done.
I can't continue like this. I don't know why, but I'm not happy. Fuck, man. Why?
Pussy, pussy.
Fuck you. Epoch did such a good job. Fuck, man. I
Give
feel
it
like
a
I'm
week of
letting
dev
him
and then
down.
you decide, pussy.
Wubermeister, UHM? What are you UHMing about as well? So this spot is necessary. So is this spot necessary? I was on vacation when you started it. I sure could spend 2 days refactoring code, etc., and you wouldn't like it, so that's why I didn't spend too much time on it. No, no, I don't mean that. I don't mean that at all. Fuck. I just posted something random as my first message, so my first message doesn't put me on the spot. Okay, bro. Yeah, well, you failed.
Hey, Bev, write all this code from me and I'll ditch it anyway, Cakez probably basic.
No, man! I didn't ask him to write any code, man. Fuck you. Now I feel bad. It was quick and easy way to check if it even would work. It's far from production code. Now, I don't mean this to be production code, you know? Like, listen, guys, I'll give you an insight into the brain here, okay? Look, I'm thinking of what everything needs to be done in order to make this bot work. And I'm like, hell nah, I don't want to do that. In C#. That's what I'm thinking.
You can just got my bot that has everything.
Does it have TTS as well? Exclamation mark TTS? Yes. And a TikTok API too?
Maybe you should just code it in Python, so at least you can copy all of TKP code.
I have I have a TTS example in it, but does it have the with Brian? Okay, but you don't have like the TikTok voices, right? Don't have the TikTok voices. Fuck, man. I don't think so. Don't remember. I don't think so. Yeah, because we did that later. This looks really good.
Storm, how did you end up with C# anyway?
Because it was the only place where the event sub worked. And I wanted to see if I cannot do it in C#. And now that I know that it's possible in C#, I know that it's also possible even in C++. If I use a library for C++, the one that Coffee Lava linked to me. And if it is possible in C++, then it is easier for me to code certain things in it than it is for me to code certain things in C#. And so in my brain I'm thinking, well, we haven't done so much. We haven't done much here, and we have just finished a bot. We have just finished a game, Celeste Clone. We have Schnitzelip, right? The library that we added in, the file loading,
Time
the
to
parsing.
change the stream title, cat. Yep.
And so what I'm thinking is, if I just add in this one header library that Coffee Lava is using to, get events working in that bot, I could make a bot application that opens a window. And then we have a C++ bot that is written in the newest library, or in the newest, what you call that? If you want to learn C#, stick to it. If not, change the CPP and use Coffee Lava's WebSocket library. Don't blame on Coffee Lava that the library is shit. No, it's not about that, Abeth. I know that you're a little bit pissed that I'm not like I'm just thinking about it like this. If I want to do any changes on the bot, how do I do that? Do I tell you, please add a change to the bot all the time? No, I figured out it would go from all the beginning of the laughing yesterday. It's not that hard. Still bot problem, hire him. We understand the code. I do understand the code, yes. But I would learn how to do OpenGL. I would have to learn how to do OpenGL in C#, and I don't know if I want to do that. I already know how to do OpenGL in C++. I already know.
What's the difference with Splusplus, though? You would
It's almost
just
the same.
kindly ask Coffee Lava to add features.
No, you dummies. I would rate the C++ code bot in the Schnitzel engine, guys. In the Schnitzel motor engine. Because we have a framework to write applications in it that has everything, even JSON parsing. It just takes in a text and parses the JSON for us. It's almost the same, you understand the code. Yeah, but we don't have a window, we don't have these things, and I already have all of that done. I don't want to redo that. I just don't. I don't want to redo all of that. And unless you're willing to do all of that, which I don't think you will, then I think it's too much work to set up an entire bot in C#. It is work smart, not hard. Kind of thing. I have examples of OpenGL in C#. You don't get the point. You don't get the point in my examples. I have to do all of that code. I have to write all of that code. I set all of that up. And I think this is not what I want to spend. This is not what I want to spend my time with. Like Mr. Real Super Cool said, is this necessary to write from scratch again for the third time? But even you don't need that, just use the web browser as the window. Again, I would still have to write that code. That's the point. Don't do it. If you do OpenGL in C#, you need to do pre-invoke winlibs. That's not fun. Use Visual Studio. It has nothing to do with Visual Studio. Maybe he's asking if the bot was necessary at all. OpenGL wrappers exist. Again, I would have to write all of these OpenGL functions myself. I already have a lib. What I'm saying is the following. Where's that? From Coffee Lava. Fuck, did I lose it? Fuck. God damn it. Immo, you should try to expand the C++ bot. You don't like the C# and it shows. Yeah, I don't like C#. I don't know why. I can't change it, man. And I wasted your time again. I'm very sorry about that. I don't mean it in a bad way. I don't know. It was a learning experience for me too. Never used WebSockets before. Oh man, guys, I don't know. I'm just too much of a C++ nerd. I don't know. I come to the stream to waste time. I mean, Twitch in general, yeah, I do that too. I go to YouTube to waste time too. It's called entertaining yourself with stuff you're interested in. It is so cool. I'm not saying that it's bad. It's so cool that it works. But now that I know that it works, I also know that it works in C++. Fuck, man. Are we interested in cakes? Oh boy. Imagine needing this to know that something works in C++. Hey Cakes, do you program C++ for a long time? I hope you don't mind too much, Abev. Really, I'm very sorry that I have wasted your time. I really hope that I would get more into it. I just see this code, right? And I'm like, I can do the same thing in C++. And it's less annoying. Maybe after failing in C++. I would not fail in C++. Like I have not failed in C++ yet. You already failed once? I can't. How do you program for a long time? About 3 years. It's been, I'm on my 3rd. Oh, I'm actually starting my 4th year. C++. 3 years? Yeah. Why did you want to learn C#? Because I wanted to learn what it means to make an application in C#, and what it means to... What I really liked is that it was easy with the libraries. I wanted to learn what it means to make an application in C#, and I did that yesterday, and now I realize that... I don't know, it looks like a fucking clusterfuck. I hate it. I don't know, I just hate it. I just can't change it. We have this internal class program already that I'm like, why would I need to do that? And then we need to like always do a new HTTP client. I can't easily like just do this. Or can I? Apparently you can, but now it's saying, oh, it must contain a null value. Now it's, you know. And I don't know, there's so many things that I just don't like. Like this. And then I see this right here, which is good. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, this is good. If this was C++ code. If this was C++ code. I know that JSONs are very difficult because they have hierarchies in them, and so it's very difficult to say, okay, well, I'm adding in a condition now, and inside the condition I'm adding in a broadcast ID, which is a string, and then a moderation ID. And so I can understand why this is difficult to do, because you would have to create a class and then serialize that. It's almost the same. What I'm saying is that I guess I was expecting something that takes even less time, because to me this is basically the same time investment as C++ now. And then I'm questioning myself, why the fuck am I doing C# when I'm much more proficient and faster in C++? Unless I really want to learn everything about the language, and aka what that means is I learn every single library of the language and not actually programming. Because the actual programming task that we had to do here, the actual task of programming that we had to do here, the task that we had to solve was not making a string content, a new string content. That was not the task. The task was to open up a WebSocket connection to a certain link, to a certain endpoint that Twitch gives us, and then using the session ID that we get back from that connection that Twitch sends to us, that session ID, use that session ID in a HTTP request. You can see the session ID here and the method right here. You can see that in the transport part of the JSON. Use an HTTP request to the Twitch API to subscribe to a message that allows us to listen to follows. That was the programming task that we had to do. And everything around this is just the language. It is just semantics. It is just... yeah, it is just words. But the task is already solved. And I would rather solve the task. Stop listening 2 minutes ago. Shut the fuck up! I would rather solve the task in an environment where the language is more fun to read.
Don't be rude.
And write. That's what I realized. That's why I didn't write any code today on C#. Unfortunately. Looks like I'm a C++ Andy, guys. I don't know. Yeah. I just don't see new string content. I don't see it. C# is not readable. I'm not saying that. I never say that it's not readable. I'm saying that I would rather use a different language to describe what I'm doing. C, same syntax as C, but okay, code is unfun to read. Okay, really? Oh, really? Why doesn't this work then? You dummy. I'm looking for a banana or something to eat. Be right back real quick. Plus? Yeah, but you don't do that in C++. You don't do plus. I can't. That wouldn't work in C++ either. You guys are wrong. You guys are so fucking wrong. You're so fucking wrong. You're so fucking wrong. You're so wrong. It's insane. You're so wrong. You're so wrong. I'll prove you wrong. I just deleted my... Prove it. You're wrong. I have like a yogurt. It's been very old. It's been like 4 weeks. Lol, it's so dumb. It's not dumb. I don't think it's dumb. I think you can make this very clean. Cakes, try raw string literals, much better. What does it look like? Oh, you mean you put an R here? Or something? Can you like, or L? I don't know how you do that. I have never tried those.
Just for you to know. You normally don't write that code in that way. You create an object/class/struct and used sonconvert to serialize it to JSON code.
$, and inside the string add a variable in. Give me a second, guys. This is delicious. I don't like eating on stream too much, but man, I needed that right now. No, you call this stress eating. Get over here! Hey, Chadiza, thank you very much for following. I'm getting excited. Oh, that is so good. You do R, and then you do it like this. How do you close this string? Like this? Then? And then you can get rid of these things. Doesn't look like you can. Doesn't look like you can. Unless you have to do that everywhere. Doesn't look like you can. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Easier in C++, by the way. This is something I've never done. Can you stop moaning, please? No. No. Oh, my bad. It's R first. Yeah, I thought so. And then, but then I don't... Oh, you need to do it like this. I don't know. I would do it like this. I would even do it like this. Why do you manually edit, Jason? Because we are sending this. I don't know, something like this. It's possible in C#. I figured out you didn't understand it, so I forced the plus everywhere, like you said.
What the heck? Cakez moved to the left side.
That's a fucking 50 DKP minus!
Yes, I moved to the left because we needed to look at some error message, but I can move back. Mister. Like that more. I can do that in C# too. That's just one example though. I don't know, man. I'm sorry. I want to do it in C++. Sorry guys. If you got so excited about C#. I'm very sorry. Just give up already. Fuck you. Don't tell me to give up. I want to see you fail implement WebSocket in C++. I'm gonna use the library from Coffee Lava. Can you have? Can you give me the library again? Can you give me the link to the library that I need to use? It is a single header library, or is it difficult to set up? Anyway, so let's get rid of that. That looks very good. On the roll here, we wait a lot and go back to C#. But that's what we are here for. GitHub works out, it's fucking terrible. Last updated 9 years ago. Excuse me, but it works? It works? No, this. Easy clap, here we go again. Hola, hey, day loop. Hello there. You know what we're gonna do? Coffee Lava. Can you tell me which function you use? Oh god. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. It has CMake in it, bro. Steal the codes. GitHub, thank you. What are you using? WebSocket. So that is yours, right? Use my wrapper instead. You made a wrapper around this shit. I wanna see the Windows functions they use. STD. Windows XD. Oh god. Connect. There we go. Endpoint get connection. Auto connection.
Will you be able to handle coffee and a squall labazook, Cakez?
Oh my god. Oh. This is where it begins, right? Oh. Ah. C-sharp. What is it calling? I can't find the get connection. What is get connection? Where are you getting the connection? You need these. You need 3 libs cakes. Also open SSL and libcurl the spare. Build with this. Guys, this is the build command. Oh my god.
I hope you have your package manager configured into your CMAK project to include all this Cakez. Nerd.
Okay, that's a problem of C++. Huh? Oh god. Why can I not click get connection? He won't fail, copium. Prove us wrong, okay? He didn't create. Get connection is from the lib. Endpoint. Where's the endpoint from? What was that? C++. C# sucks. Oh my god. The wrapper just lets you connect to which link. It's a client. You wrap around it. I can't look at it like this. Just wait, guys. You nubs. Just wait. Just wait. Wait, is that the bot? The entire bot? Just these files? But it doesn't have types.hpp. It doesn't have stamp. Do you have to like colon recursively or something? Kind of missing some files here. C++ man. Shut the fuck. Mercenary game doesn't seem as bad now, huh? I need to solve the issue of the fucking awesome TTS that we have, and then redemptions or events triggering them. Check now, Cakes. Call doesn't exist. Commit message? What is the commit message? Shut the fuck up. Shut the... Ah, copy. Fuck you. You know, no, it is missing files. It is missing files. It's missing files. For example, curl doesn't exist. Because they are separate libs. Didn't include them. Okay, whatever. What do we have to look at? WebSocket, right? Your wrapper. Okay. I need the WebSocket thing though. Can you fuck. WebSocket. What do I download? I need the WebSocket code. Do I just download the entire thing? Oh God. Thank you. What do you mean you can't unzip that? You piece of shit. Huh? Copy this in here. Oh, it's a zip file. I'm sorry. I was wrong.
Ikiweeks is fighting Cakez 77. Cakez 77 won with 11 health left.
Nabe. Okay, do I have it now? Please. Fuck. It exists. Okay. Okay, it finds it. Good. Fuck. What is endpoint? Endpoint isn't even defined. Dude, it is not even defined in this file. Huh? It's not even defined. And obviously then I can't look at it. See bottom? Oh, it's a client. Oh God. WebSocket client. Get connection. Get secure is secure.
You idiot! What are you doing?
Where's the download button? Where's the Git to repository button? I don't understand. If you're clearly Git clone, getting started, browse Git. This is why I didn't use it before. Because this website is absolutely garbage. What a garbage website! I don't know who thought that this website would be a good fucking idea to make.
Hello, Cakes. Are we back to C++, huh?
Ah, don't ask. Don't ask.
Hello, Odin.
W server is a very tiny WebSocket server library written in C. Library. It's a tiny lightweight WebSocket server library written in C, and that intends to be used fast, hackable, and compliant to the whatever. The main features are send, receive, binary message, ping pong frames, opening, closing handshakes, event based, portability works fine on Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Oh, WebSocket server library. Hackable, that's what we need. Server. Clone. Server, make install. Windows support. Open. And close on message. Client sends a text message. I don't want a server library, I want a client. Big. New WebSocket client C library. Reddit. I wanted to announce a WebSocket client library. It runs on Linux and Windows. It also includes an optional whatever. It was developed and tested on Linux and free. It has been cross-compiled to Windows, but the result not yet tested. GitHub. Servers are clients. I can chill cakes, call coffee lava. Hey, Capuchman. Why is there so many header and C++ files everywhere, every time? Huh? On message complete, on URL, on header field, on header value, on body, L case, process header. Steal coffee code. Oh my god. CMake. Wow, so much text. Server.
Are we winning, son?
I don't want to steal Coffee Lover's code because you need too many things. That's a problem with C++. You need too many things. Airwave is evil, yeah. Problem of C++. Too many libraries. Not a proper standard library. That is like steal from your older C++ bot. Think you should try Python.
What is that fucking called?
Yeah, great. I absolutely got nothing done. Awesome. That's what I like doing. Fuck, man. I got nothing done because I don't understand WebSocket. Classy would be to have at least. Socket handshake. Socket wait for frame. Process frame. That's complete message.
LeBron.
At this point you must think I'm trolling, but I'm not.
Get over here!
Priscilla, thank you very much for following. Good thing you have such helpful TTS. How long did that take? Listen. I haven't given up yet.
Linux when?
How many lines of code? It's not that many lines of code actually. I can do that in Windows. But I don't want to do that. That is actually not that much.
Master, there is something wrong with the telephone.
Cakez!
Doesn't this feel like the Opingle on Linux week? You kept going back and forth between multiple libraries and got nothing done.
Or maybe, just maybe, don't code a Twitch bot.
Maybe we should do it in Python. ChatGPT might be helpful. You know how much time you would need to port IC sharp code to Linux? It's like 0 seconds.
Maybe don't do programming on a programming stream.
Wow. Look at that interface. Look at that interface. Connect. Socket address.
I don't like it. It's shit.
You are shit. Wait, he's forward declaring a struct? Eh? How is he forward declaring a struct? Or is this part of enet? Net enet. Those are variables. Listen, it says struct address, and then he's accessing a member of a struct. Is that Linux only? Yeah, unfortunately it's a Linux only. And so htons is most likely a Linux function. Not sure, but an enet python is also a server function. A Linux function. So what I would have to do is Google do that and then Windows equivalent. What's the Windows XP equivalent to enet peanut or enet python? In Windows you can use these functions: WinSocket and WinTCP. I love how he writes an entire code example instead of just giving the one function that is the equivalent.
Inut peanut.
BGNet? BG's Guide to Network Programming. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Too much text. I'm a person that learns with code.
Blah, 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 blah.
So it looks like this stuff has to be ported to Windows if
Penis.
you were... Use the JSocket model instead. Oh, wait. Oh, man. But this doesn't seem like difficult. Connect to an address. Guys, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. All I want is to set up fucking TTS when someone subscribes, when someone donates bits, and when someone donates it, when someone uses a redemption. That's all I want to do. That is literally all I want to do.
Python, bro.
I don't want to code any networking code from scratch now.
You overthink everything. Just try and see how it goes. It won't be as easy as your game dev cause you are learning new shit.
True, Lady. That's true. I just don't... Actual helper? Yeah, no, that's really... I really appreciate that.
Python or Go, get it done in 1 hour max. Install a library and run with it.
We can do the same thing in C#. Might as well use C# at that point. And stick with the title. And then just organize it better in C#. Then let's do it.
Yeah.
But then you have to learn
C#. You just saw that it can be done in C++. I mean, true, it can be done in C++.
And BTW, I witness cough_lava trying to link a lot of libs for the bot. He is a batchist.
So are you just using Sharp because you don't know how to install libraries?
Cakez, you need
no,
someone
I don't
in chat
want
to code an
to
example
use all of
for you
these
that
libraries,
you can learn
man.
from so that you can copy from it while having it on second monitor.
I just...
Cakez, I will help you, but you have to beg. But it's okay in private, you don't have to do it in front of everyone here. Cancel the stream, replan life.
You don't want to use ready-to-use libs and don't want to code socket from scratch. What do you want?
I don't know, bro! I don't fucking know! It's dollar in C#, okay. Well, not that easy. Why? So lost. Oh, that looks like it is. Correct.
Cakez hashtag have this thing called raw string literals, so if you put some more quotes you don't need to escape quotes will clean that shit up.
Okay, great. Then why cannot break up the string, guys? Why can I not break up the string like this? Why is it complaining about this? It's not C++. Or use string concat. Because you're missing the terminating. Still complaining. Unless you're saying I should do the following here. Can I do it like this? The triple needs to be in the same line with, I think. So what you mean is it has to be here?
Cakes don't have quotes on every line. Come on, it's a raw string.
Doesn't look like it works. Doesn't look like it works.
Pop 2 R6.
Yeah.
You can't line break that easily in hashtag. There will be a lot of spaces inside the string.
But then it's dog shit. Then it's dog shit. And I don't want to use it.
Yeah.
Why is there nothing for Windows that is single header and gives me the opportunity to create a WebSocket? I want to have a WebSocket single header library. WebSocket client library for C.
Hello, Cakez. Time to do it yourself.
WebSocket client library for C. This library abstracts the way the WebSocket protocol farming for client connections. It aims to provide a somewhat similar API to the implementation in your browser. Create a new connect and create callbacks to be triggered when certain events occur. On open, on message, on close, on error. Best install autogen. Also to install autogen sh configure make and sudo make all program WSA client GCC02 test C WSA client. Cakes. This is the right way. Viewers don't know. C# match. What is wrong with
Because
C#?
if you don't want to use libcurl, building the bot will be much easier.
Cakes, if you don't want to use libcurl, building the bot will be much easier. But what do you mean if you don't want to use libcurl, building the bot would be much easier?
Use string.concat method and position the strings however you like.
You know, a different way, a different way to do HTTP requests, and you don't need to use libcurl. Yeah, of course. I know a different way. Windows HTTP requests. You use it for that? You use libcurl to do HTTP requests? I see. So if I have my own library, I can do HTTP requests. Okay. Cakes.net file expanded example with inserting variable in string. It doesn't work, man. I give up. I give up. This sucks. Too complicated. No, this is dumb. I don't like it. Please try. Just string concatenate. Okay.
Giving Gib 777.
Yeah, I give up, yeah. Because I don't want to be dealing with this.
Don't be rude.
Doesn't work.
Cakes, there is also something called a string builder, but that will probably piss you off even more.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah, just kidding. Listen. Listen. There's a reason why people like C++, okay? This is so fucking clean and easy. What's happening? String literals do not work? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Whatever. Dude. Whatever. I'm sorry, everyone, that it is not working out as I thought it would work out. It's time something called string builder, but no.
Did you forgot to add using the system.text.string builder.rstrings.interpolated?
Good one, brother. Good one. Guys, I want to make YouTube videos, man. YouTube videos, at least I don't have to deal with that. Oh. I can't even find a fucking WebSocket library, man. Without libcurl, the build becomes this. Main executable, WebSocket. Why do we need that? Path to OpenSSL includes. Path to OpenSSL libs. libSSL OpenSSL. Okay. libcrypto OpenSSL. That language multitasking in Cakez is awesome. Cakez tomorrow, check my new video on C# string literals. It just uploaded to YouTube. You're gonna have to cast strings to ints first, then add them, and cast them back to string. Probably can get ASIO C++ library is a cross-platform C++ library for network and low-level I/O programming that provides developers with a consistent asynchronous model of a modern C++ approach. Modern C++ and Cakez. You need it because event subs requires secured WebSockets. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what the SSL is for. So what? I can't believe that no one made a single header library for this, except one person for Linux. There's got to be one for Windows. WebSocket Protocol Component API.
Because Windows developers are red.
WebSocket Component...
How about you use JS with node underscore module with 150 libraries nesting 150 more library each.
Download ASIO on OpenSL and you're golden. You already have WebSocket PP. Download ASIO and OpenSSL and you're golden. Can you put the Linux one? That's what I would do. You see, I want to try that. I want to port this to Windows. Because literally, how many lines of code is that for an entire WebSocket? 700 lines of code.
As far as I know, you can't have a single header library on Windows because you have to link with Windows.h and WinAPI.
And? Good luck. Is it even, does it even, WS client, but it's not secure, right? MP3 all over again. Guys, I think I give up on the entire thing. Listen, like, I'm making a game. Pepe Lost, this is ridiculous, man. TTS is free forever. There must be a reason why people don't use C++ for Twitch bots. V1, work on the game, yeah, lots of strings. No, it's not the strings. It's not the strings. Library for C. This library abstracts away the WebSocket protocol for client and aims to provide a somewhat similar API. Okay, and it has a makefile, install, readme. It is okay, you can try another day on the bot.
Cakes, are you doing this thing where you pretend you are really sad and upset because you know usually when you do that links magically show up in chat with working code?
Shut the fuck up, man. What is your problem? Shut the fuck up. No, I'm genuinely upset and sad that I wanted this to work so I can move on with my life. I don't want to be programming a Twitch bot my entire fucking life. I want to program games. Man. It's been 2 days there. Then use libs. Yeah, I can't be that I need to use 10 libs just to open up a fucking WebSocket. Working, see websocket.com. Gimme single heller da. Shut your mouth.
Yeah, baby. That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
I can't believe that you have to do this. And then you have to do like dollars. Who thought about this? Which idiot thought that this would be a good idea? Why not just take the fucking thing from C++ where you say R and then not random, you dummy. And you do like this. Why is it not the fucking same in C# and in C++? I don't fucking understand this shit. It's a good idea because it is shit in C. What do you mean? How is this shit? This is so fucking easy. What do you mean? It's a literal string.
The great thing about this is you can use as many $signs as you want actually.
Right. Oh, really? I can use as many $signs. Great. So I can use 10?
You can also use @ symbols for something else you can't.
It's actually not. Oh, it's dollar first. Oh, sorry. And then what? Line does not start with the white space as the enclosing line of the raw string symbol. Cannot implicitly convert the type string to an HTTP connection.
Cakes, it needs to be in the perfect spot, otherwise it doesn't work. That's just how C# works.
Hä? Try to format in a way. First string, second string. You need at least $2
Use
or just
euros instead.
Nope. Take the W and move on.
try euros. Yeah, let's try those. Oh, they don't seem to work. Maybe we need another one.
Retard.
No, that doesn't work. It only works with $signs. Huh? The last is breaking it. You need to add an extra $sign or remove a... Huh. Read the damn error! It says it doesn't have the white space! Need to take a piss. Be right back. Maybe start off with a small string just to get it working.
And just as a reminder, the whole string thing started because I didn't code JSON deserialization like it should be done.
I wanna do it in C#. The thing is, we don't have the proper... I'm gonna learn C#, whatever. Collect... Yeah, who cares? Who cares? Like, okay, it's fine. You can call me a pussy. Call me a pussy if you want to, bitch. Thank you very much for rating, devsplodgers. Welcome, everyone.
Meow.
Call me a pussy if you want to. Okay, at least I'll have a bot. Doesn't matter anymore at this point. Collector of stuff.
Summon
Mister.
Spagus.
Collector, stop! Are you there? Hey! Oi! He's not here. Fuck. Guys, how do I add in plus? From calm stream to I'm sorry. Hi. Okay. How do I add in the plus config channel ID? How do I include the things? yeah, Kimi, are you sure about that? No fucking way. No fucking way. Oh my god, that's impossible. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh my.
You know nobody is using the strings like you, D-soft cringe.
That's so cringe.
How do I do it like this? How do I do it like here? With just this, without the dollar signs? You can't. Ah. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, interesting. I programmed for the past 3 years at C#, never saw this shit. Jesus. Oh my god, it's funny. Oh god, nice.
Cakes, it actually has a purpose. The more dollars signs you add, the more bracket pair you need. It's so it doesn't clash with the actual text.
I understand that, yeah. I do understand.
If you are going to format text like this, just use MS Word Igant.
Fuck! I was doing it wrong. Wow. Wow. So much cleaner. Hey, that is clean. That is clean.
Reddit, we did it.
100%. I see 2 syntax errors. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, man. Okay, well, is that the guy that sees dead people? Okay, bro. Some syntax errors. Oh yeah, one here. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Huh? Where's the other one? Collector of stuff. El no sabe.
Line 67.
Thank you. I like it. This works, right? And how do I add that to content? Content expects a... Content expects it to be a HTTP content thing. It was new string content. Does it need to be a 2 in string? You think so, Coffee Lava? No? I think so. I do it in mine. Okay. Let's go! Woo! Okay. String penis. The cool thing about this is I can actually do this now. See that? I couldn't do that before. Everything is in brackets. It also should also be in there for the session ID. Okay, so over here we need to put every not brackets in quotation marks, right? I don't know about you, but I find this to be clean. The one keybind you... okay, bro. Keep complaining. Built. Built. Could not copy. Warning. Oh, what the fuck happened? Built. Run. Wait. Is it after my string? What is it complaining here? Object reference to an object. I find JSON deserialization micro package. Sending his penis off. Hover over the client. No. And the client is happened here, right? Client has nothing to do with this though. Or? You broke the client, one of the top lines. Fuck, I broke the client. Oh. Remove the new oh yeah, I got sad at yep. Thank you. Yeah, I got sad at C sharp for this. Yeah, that's okay. We already have that enabled. Not sure why it opens the thing every time. Reconnect URL now. That doesn't look too good. Got keep alive message. Okay. Does someone wanna unfollow and follow again, or does someone wanna follow?
I guess anyone that wants to follow in chat to test if the bot works or not.
Get over here!
Hey, thank you guys. Thank you very much for following.
It works.
Get over here!
It works. It works. Okay. Now my stats are fucked. Yeah, they are. Okay. I think I've decided we are going to go with this. And C#. I think. I still need to think about it because the big problem is the entire TTS system is going to go. We need to have to program all of that thing again, Abbott, and I don't know if I want to do that. That's the biggest problem. Freshly Cola, thank you very much for subscribing with Twitch Prime. I really appreciate the support, man. Thank you. I think it's like a 1 hour task.
Freshly Cola just subscribed.
It could be easy. I don't know, man. You know how many TTS sounds we have? Or yeah, we have a lot of TTS sounds. You need to load in the sounds. You need to connect to the TikTok API. It's not an hour task, man. So what? Implement one, then copy. Okay, guys. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. I don't know. Nice to know. I haven't done so much JSON before. Mainly just implement proper classes.
Error.
Power of Exile time. No, I'm gonna show you guys vacation pictures.